is graphing quadratics. The first one they want you to graph plus 2x plus 3. Without graphing, is this going to be up and up or down and down as my end behavior? Up and up because positive, it's 1, right? 1x squared, it's up and up. Another thing is because it's up and up, a minimum, right? And also, this is new, your y-intercept is right there. So see how it's plus 3? Kind of like when you guys did mx plus b, it's the same thing. So I could go to my graph and I could go to 3 because I know that's my y-intercept. Okay. Now there's two ways to get this. When you graph a quadratic, most important to graph is the vertex. So I already taught you how to find the vertex. So in this case we said it's a minimum. So I'm going to go second, calc, minimum, right? Ooh, what did I forget to do? I have to go plug in my parabola. My calculator does not know what parabola I'm talking about. So I need to go x squared plus 2x plus 3. And notice it does cross at 3. Okay? And my minimum is going to be right there somewhere over here. Okay? So I'm going to go second, calc, minimum. It's going to ask me for 3 things: left bound, right bound, and you want me to guess. So I go to the left of the vertex, hit enter, go to the right of the vertex, hit enter, and then enter again, and my vertex is at -1, right? You see how it's 0.999999? It's because your calculator has rounding issues. -1, comma 2. So -1, comma 2. Now, so I know this is going to be my minimum. It's going to shoot up here, and it's going to shoot up there. Don't just guess where it shoots up at. I want you to plot the other points that go on that graph. And so one way you could do it is by, well, what is x? Because this is from -10 to 10, right? And so you could plug -10 in here. -10 squared plus 2 times -10 plus 3. What is y? And then plug -9 in. -9 squared plus 2 times -9 plus 3. What is y? And then plug -8 in, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? That's going to take a long time. Your calculator does that for you. So if you go over here to your table, see where it says table, and go second, table, and then you can scroll up to -10, which is this furthest point. Now notice that's -10, comma 83. So if I graph that, that's -10, and I'd have to go like glue some of these graph papers together to get to 83, right? So I'm not going to plot that point. I'm not going to plot this one, or this one, or this one. I'm trying this between -10 and 10, right? So at -3, it's 6. So I'm going to go -3, 1, 2, 3, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go down one more. There's my -2, 3. Which is right here. Right? Another one is -1, 2. That's where my vertex was. My next one is going to be 0, 3. Right? And then I have 1, 6. Now, any guesses? See how it repeats itself on either side of the vertex? See, the vertex we said was -1, 2. See how it's repeating itself? It's going 3, 3, 6, 6, 11, 11. That's part of being a vertex. It's right in the middle. Okay. So if you know the vertex and you fill in this side, then you can almost always fill in that side. Okay. Now if I keep going to 11, that's off my graph, so I can make a nice parabola. which looks like that. Okay? Now, common mistakes kids do is they'll just go, let's see, it looks like that. And they'll turn that in on their homework. I circle it, they lose. And also, that's not exact. I need the vertex and all the points that fit on the graph to make a parabola. Another common mistake is they'll do this. Okay, that is not a parabola, that's absolute value. So make sure when you make your graph that it's a U, a parabola, okay?